For Lauren Levine. Without you, there would be no there. Dear readers, some of you might remember the short story Saint from the One More Step anthology years ago. For those of you who don't, you're about to meet it in a much bigger way. That anthology has since been unpublished, but some of you guys never stopped asking for more of the story. You have somehow managed to keep a little story alive in your hearts, even when it wasn't officially available. There's nothing more inspiring for me as a writer than when a reader tells me they want more from characters I created. I wanted to give these characters the space they deserved and truly build out the world I'd only briefly touched upon when this short story was called Saint. I took the short story some of you read and poured my heart and soul into expanding it. It has taken me 3 years to release a book since It Starts With Us. Not because I've been rewriting Saint for those 3 years, but because I've been trying out new things outside writing. And frankly, I needed some space from a career I was beginning to find more stressful than normal. But that changed when I dove back into this story. Working on this book gave me back that same joy I felt while writing the original short story. I've changed the title and some character names and locations, added scenes, added and changed characters, and even written in new little twists here and there that had no room in the short version. I wanted those of you who have already read it to get what felt like an entirely new and different book with the same underlying story and tones as the short story. I genuinely enjoyed every single second of bringing it to life in this new, complete form. Just please keep in mind that while writers do take from their own lives, and some of the themes may mirror those of my own life in ways, this is in no way a replica of my journey or my morals, nor is it a reflection of how I feel about my peers or this industry. This is simply a fun journey the characters took me on and nothing more. Please, I beg of you, do not try to make ties between my personal life and this story, as there are none. I'm just a writer writing about a writer. I am in no way advocating for or defending the characters' behavior or thoughts. It was a joy to put a new spin on Saint. I hope you're ready to get dizzy and enjoy this fun, sexy, sometimes creepy thrill of a ride. With so much love, Colleen Hoover. Chapter 1. Hey, Kelly here, your fiction therapist with a minor in messy behavior. Welcome back to And What Now, Readers, the podcast where your favorite book drama gets lovingly dissected and lightly roasted. And I'm Micah, your literary, and sometimes television, gossip sommelier. Sommelier? Kelly laughs. You don't even drink wine. Who needs alcohol when you can get drunk on shit like we have for you today? Ugh, I love how spicy this is, Kelly adds. It's more than spicy. It's full-on scorched earth. We're talking about Petra Rose today, darling of book clubs and Tumblr mood boards, whose reputation has erupted into literary flames. And if you somehow missed it while scrolling your feed or, I don't know, breathing, the internet has completely turned on the formerly adored author, and not gently, Kelly says. Nope, the international best-selling author of A Terrible Thing. That's probably the worst book title of all time, Kelly interrupts. Truly, Micah says. It's like she was asking for this backlash, begging for it. Anyway, the novel basically launched 1,000 #Team Ash versus #Team Caleb debates. It was at the center of total fandom fallout in the best way. Until it wasn't. Kelly, want to do the short recap honors before we announce our surprise guest? Well, it won't be short, but my pleasure. Let's rewind for those of you new to the alphabet.